Okay, this is how to get Tweekbox. You gotta use the regular Safari browser to download. And just look up Tweekbox. And this one is the first one that pops up. And when you see this screen pop up, hit install now. And then when this pops up, hit allow to allow it to install a configuration profile. And then hit install again. Go ahead and put in your code. And then hit done. And Tweekbox is now on your phone. It's probably the most popular, if not, definitely one of the most, if not the most popular third-party jailbreak alternative app installer. And it's got all the movie and TV apps, jailbreaks, tweaked apps, emulators, everything you want. All here for free. And it's a pretty good store. Definitely check it out.